But let's talk about that Indian innings batting up front. Jatupaji, look at this. Now, first, this is the story, the innings story of India and New Zealand. Where do you see New Zealand lost the plot there?
I think they lost the plot, I think, in that 11 to 15th over stage. Because when you look at India, they were more in trouble. In spite of that partnership with Shreyas Iyer and Akshar took them to that stage where they could. But then India struggled at 26 to 40.
Yeah.
Where I think New Zealand obviously struggled the most there. And the key was that partnership from 11 to 25th. For India, that took them into a stronger position, a base where they could have taken off from. Whereas in New Zealand, in spite of only losing 2 wickets till that stage, they somehow played in a way that they believed that they would try and get runs right at the end or kept too many wickets in hand. And they tried to play the game according to how they wanted. They just didn't play the game depending on what the game was allowing them to.
If I may, sorry. If I may, जिस तरीके से पहली इनिंग में भी बॉल चला था, जैसे जैसे पुराना हो रहा था, स्लो हो रहा था. Do you think New Zealand missed a trick? नया बॉल, कड़ा बॉल. If I had to take a chance कि यार थोड़ा नया बॉल की तरफ जाते हैं ताकि बॉल पुराना होगा तो बीच में 2-4 ओवर स्पिन के आराम से आप खेल भी सकते हो. You had to be ahead of the game.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. But I'm just looking from New Zealand's point of view because जब उनका कप्तान टॉस पे आया, उसने क्या कहा था? We want to bowl first because at the evening the ball comes on better. So if you believe that, and that's how you've gone into bat, then you want to keep everything towards the end because the last few overs, you're hoping that it'll be cooler, the ball will come better, and you'll be able to score more runs. So उनके mind में ये था, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जो पहली वाले 10-15 ओवर थे ना, वो उन्होंने, एक तो होता है बॉलिंग हो रही है, बॉलिंग अच्छी हुई है, इसमें डाउट नहीं, बट एक आपका स्ट्रेटजी ऐसी थी कि आप विकेट नहीं लूज करना चाहते. यू वांट टू कीप विकेट्स एट द एंड सो यू कुड मेक यूज ऑफ दैट. रोहित शर्मा ने थोड़ी सीम लगानी थी, सीम लगा गया.
जैसे जड्डू ने कहा, अक्षर और आयर की पार्टनरशिप 67 की बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट. उन्होंने आके रोकना शुरू किया, सिंगल्स किए, फिर 1-2 चौका मिला और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इनिंग जो एंड में मेरे ख्याल में थी, जिसने अपनी पूरी गेम चेंज की. पांड्या किस लिए मशहूर है हार्दिक? वो इसलिए मशहूर है कि आके मारता है. यू नो, उसका स्ट्राइक रेट T20 में 160 ले लो, 150. यहाँ पे उसने 45 किया, सिर्फ 45 गेंदों पे. According to the pitch, according to the situation, he changed his game. That's what good players do.